Hi there, my name is Ryan. I'm with the Ziotag team, and today I'm going to show you guys how to embed a gallery onto your website from the Ziotag application. So here I am on the Ziotag app. I'm on the My Programs page, and I'm in an account that had some videos preloaded into it. So you can see I have about 13 videos under my private section and about 6 videos under my public section. So if I want to embed a gallery, a searchable gallery, on my own site, what I do is I come up to the top right and click on this button here that says Embed a Gallery. And then I'm greeted with this pop-up. Inside of this pop-up, you can customize how your embedded gallery is going to look on your site, like choosing a background color, choosing a font for the text, a background image if you so want, and font color. This is to make sure that the gallery blends with the design of your site. You can also choose to show the titles of videos, show the upload date, enable the player, so on and so forth. So just some customizable options up here. And we can also choose the size of the gallery, the pixel size. So by default, it's 1200 pixels wide by 800 tall, and you can change that to fit your needs. When choosing what videos to include in your gallery, you don't necessarily have to include every video in your programs page. You can choose by upload date. So let's say I want every video from, I don't know, March 1st of 2020 to today, which is September 1st, 2020. Let's say I want not necessarily videos from any specific category, so I'll leave category blank. And we'll say, I want videos from both my private and public sections of my Programs page. So I'll say both. Now, before I take the iframe code and embed this on my website, I want to preview how this gallery is going to look. So I can click here, Preview, and we open up this page, and we can see this is what my gallery would look like. It looks like it's including just about every video that was in this account. Also in the embedded gallery, we're also greeted with the search function up top. So let's say I want to search through all related Ziotags and the descriptions of videos, and using the keyword news, hit enter. We're greeted with 8 search results. And I'll click on the first one. Looks like it matches a description. So if I click on a video player comes up.
And tonight, another curfew.
I can watch. Same thing goes for if I want to X out of the video player and go to a different video that matches a Ziotag. Let's say I want to click on the first Ziotag of this video. We'll click. Video player comes up.
But it's betting.
And it starts playing right at that point in the video where they're talking about news. And then if I want to exit this search, I'll just exit the video player with this X, hit back, and here I am back in my embedded gallery. So once the preview looks good and you think you want to put the gallery on your website, all you need to do is either copy the iframe code here or just click copy, and the code's copied to your dashboard, and simply paste it into your website. Okay.